Hello, this is a quick tutorial on the color picker and blueprints, which is currently at the marketplace of Unreal Engine 4. So I already got map demo freeloaded, just to show you how it looks like. And as you can see, it works quite nice. And you may have noticed that the colors are matching quite well. This is because the algorithm to create those color wheels is the same algorithm that is used to create a color picker. So we have lots of different types of resolution from 64 to 4096. And yes, let's get started with the real tutorial part. So just create two folders, three folders, because we also need one blueprint. Blueprint. Widgets. And yeah, then first of all we're gonna need to make a new level, main map, something like that. User interface, main widget, and blueprints, class actor, cube, VP. Yeah, I think I should stick with my naming conventions. Widget blueprint. So, what we are trying to do is we want to change the color of a cube, and so we just go step by step, just quickly set up the cube actor. For now it's fine, just a basic cube, nothing really special. So first of all we go to main widget blueprint, and then we drag and drop in one color wheel and one slider. So we have different types of sliders, from black to white, from white to black, and curved, uncurved, and so just a lot of variant. But I think I go with this. And now what's important is that the size of the widget you drag and dropped in is the same size of the overlay of that widget. So we have 20, 120, and no, that's fine. So also check color wheel. So if you would put this in a horizontal box, you would just, yeah, I think we actually can do that. We just make auto and then the work. So full, just those two have to be checked. Yes. And yeah, so what we need to do is we need to initialize the color wheel. This is done by, first of all, like this is only called once, so we'll use that by make init with color and just drag and drop everything in. Then we'll pick a color, something yellow, orange, and we also want to do is we set up image. Yeah, we also change the color of this image. And this is done by just create a binding Then what's important is that the final color is in the bar. Get final color. So, and then we test it. Oh, yes. Forgot that. Open level blueprint. Create widget. Main widget blueprint. Add to viewport. Get controller. Player controller. Set show mouse cursor to true. Yes, and as you can see, starting color is fine. Yeah, I forgot to put the anchors here. Yes, so we will now take care of our little friend here, and we start by drag and drop. Okay. Some blueprints, cube, material. So we set this. So those are the two materials that comes with the project. Like one is this floor material, which looks quite nice, and the other one is the example. It's just really simple, just one base color. And what we will do is we will change the value of this color. And this, so this is done by yeah, I think we do this by tick, event tick. So first of all, we say get widget, get all widgets. Wow. Okay. I'm sorry. I never do this way normally. Think we so here color widget. But the brightness. So this is the parent widgets of all sliders, and we want to get the linear color. And the linear color is in the slider. Color, get final color. Yes, and then we say set cube, then go to cube and set vector parameter values on materials. And then the parameter value that we want to change is base color. And then we just break color into red, green, blue, and we just make vector, and we put the red, green, and blue values in. And yes, one thing that should be done is now we will make this the clean way. Add custom event, start update, and then we're gonna say add custom event, update color, and then you set timer by function name. Set this to 0.1, and then we need to go here, and we say get all actors of class. Then go to cube blueprints, get copy, then set color should to this one, to the bar, and then we're gonna say start up there. Yes, and that should work. Yes, everything working as expected. And the last thing I wanted to show you is how to dynamically change this. This is, we just keep it really simple with one button, text, blue, and clicked, then set color to something bluish. So like this could be anything. This could be a button, or this could be a text input, and you press enter and it changes. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and see you.